So in this video here, I'm going to show you how you can get ClickFunnels for only $19 per month instead of the $97 per month. Coming right up. Hey everyone, this is Simon from SimonWYHuang, and in my channel, I provide digital marketing, lead generation, social media, website design, SEO advices, and all kinds of stuff related to it that will improve your business online presence. Every single tutorial is on there. You guys can go on there. Everything is absolutely free. Now, if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button down there and the notification bell just right beside it. That way, you'll be able to get all my latest videos and right into your notification bell. Now, if you watch it over and you like this video, please just hit that like button, share with your friend, and then leave a comment down below to see how else I can improve and better serve you guys. So today, let's talk about how we can get ClickFunnels for a much cheaper price than their original one. So let's go into my screen right now. As you can see, this is my screen for ClickFunnels affiliate opt-in page. Now, those who don't understand what this method is, this is what we call a squeeze page, an opt-in page. I added together with a little bit of a video, so when you click on it, you will see that, oh, okay, it's going to be loading, and then I'm going to be talking about ClickFunnels and why it's going to be helpful for you. And in here, I have like the header, how to use ClickFunnels to improve sales, improve your customer purchase desire, etc. So this is a squeeze page that will take you to ClickFunnels afterward. Now, I mentioned in this video here, right in this YouTube video, that if you click the button below, which I did, fill in your information like that, then I will send you something free that you would not get from anyone else in exchange for the affiliate commission. Because right now we're entering into what we call the affiliate link. So you can see up right here, this is called affiliate ID. A lot of bloggers, a lot of ads, they always have this. Same thing with Amazon and a whole lot of other different software services program. They all have affiliate ID. So as disclaimer, if you guys do sign up under with my link, I will get some commission. Okay, I will explain this in another video called ClickFunnels Affiliate Program Review. And today's video is all about getting you the cheapest ClickFunnels price. So once you get in through the ClickFunnels page from my squeeze page, you can see there's a video over here on the left hand side and the right. You can choose what better describe your business. I want you to skip all that. Don't click on this one because that's not the way to get it. The way to get it is actually go scroll down and click on any one of these ones. So let's say you are going to run a e-commerce business, and so you click on this button here, take you to this page, step number 2. You can watch this, but you know, go ahead and just say, let's say do a tripwire. Okay, I want a tripwire, and you can watch the video and it will show you what tripwire is about before you go in. Now you can then go in and choose any one of these ones. Let's say, for example, we want to promote a business that is, what about cosmetic? All right, let's pick cosmetic. So so this is all like preset webinar.
Welcome to the ClickFunnels.
Not webinar, sorry, sales funnel. As you can see, there's 4 different pages, and it's really done really nicely. I like this a lot. I like the screen and everything. And so basically, now you just have to fill out your information right here on the right hand side. So fill in your email. I would say I'm just gonna use sorry, I'm gonna fill in. So after this is done, you just click start your free 14-day trial, and on the right hand side, bam, this pops up. Now regularly, if you go and click this button right here, it will actually just take you to a pricing page, and it will just take you to this page. Now in this page, you're only gonna get access to the highest price, which is called the Edison Suite. I don't know if you can see that. It looks pretty big. Okay, good. Edison Suite. So this is the highest price. As you can see, default is at Edison Suite. You can then click on the ClickFunnels, just a regular $97 per month. Edison Suite is $297, and the limited share funnel only is the $19 per month. Now, basically, I finished talking about how you can get the $19 per month deal. But let me just quickly go and explain what's the difference. So with the highest package, you get everything unlimited. You can make a lot of funnels, you can make a lot of sales pages, and you can have unlimited visitors. But with the 97, okay, and also you get like an email autoresponder sequence, autoresponder program that's called Actionatic, and then you can have an affiliate program built inside. It's called a backpack. And that is what you have to do. But if you use the regular ClickFunnels, it won't have that. You do get like, I think 20 funnels that you can build. And with the limited share funnel only, you do not have the option. You only have 3 funnels, and you can only go up to 10 pages. So, for example, we use this page over here. It will then become like 4 pages. So this is how you're gonna get the $19 per month package through ClickFunnels. Let me just recap again. So we go into the link. I'll leave the link down below. So this is the landing page that I made. Once you watch the video, click on it, and then submit your information, it will take you to regular ClickFunnels page. Scroll all the way down to choose your funnel, any one of them, left, right, up, whatever. And then go to the second page, choose your tripwire. It'll go here first. Choose the tripwire, and then go to here first. Once you click on any one of them, it will take you to this page. And that's it. So in the next video, I'll be talking about the whole breakdown, the whole review of ClickFunnels. It's going to be a much bigger one, but I just wanted to share the secret with you. I know ClickFunnels is probably going to hate me, but they did this for a reason. So if you want to support me, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell down below. And like this video if you like it. Give me a thumbs up, share, and comment. If you think this helps you, then please use my affiliate link, because I'll just get a little bit of commission out of you with no extra charge out of you. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.